Oh my god, this is amazing. Welcome to the Holy Pool, Holy Spring Pool. So now I'm at the Royal Pita Maha, a Campuhan resort, relaxation resort to be precise. And oh my god, I really love the place. It's just amazing. It has an amazing view, obviously, because it is in Campuhan, in Ubud, and you have all this natural landscape, and the facilities are top notch. Awesome. Anyway, I'm just gonna open my mask ya, boleh ya, karena aku sendirian juga di kamar. So anyway, yeah, welcome to the Royal Pita Maha. Dan kali ini, setelah sebelumnya I usually spend so much time either in Kuta or in Nusa Dua area. Now we choose Ubud, and Ubud is always be special. You wanna know how special the Royal Pita Maha is? Stick around with me, alright? This is amazing. Welcome to the Holy Pool, Holy Spring Pool. So tell me what you think. This is the Holy Spring Pool. Oh, I can't wait to go back here untuk benar-benar berenang literan. Let's see how beautiful. It's lovely, isn't it? And as always, we will always have sajian of the sacrifices every day in many spots in Bali. So this is a Holy Spring Pool. There are so many amazing shots taken by people here in this very spot. Tapi kita yang bingung sendiri kayaknya sih. I think you need to have drone or somebody gotta help you out. But as is, it's already amazing. We are going back after the meetings. Cantik ya. free ticket to the holy pool. Stepping out the elevator is already mesmerizing. Let's go see the pool. Welcome to the Holy Spring Pool here at the Royal Pita Maha. Goodness Lord, it's cold. So this is a Holy Spring Pool. It's such a lovely pool with crystal water, super cool and fresh one, and it's actually huge. Well, it's big, and it's right in the middle of the forest. There's something mystical about it, which I love to enjoy. Look at that. And since I'm doing it right after the meeting, so it's a bit dark already, yet it is still lovely. For now, Indah Nuria is saying thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the next video and more adventure coming from me, okay? I'm saying thank you and bye-bye for now from Ubud, Bali, Indonesia. Ciao! Don't forget to stay happy, safe, and healthy wherever you are, okay? Bye-bye!